Super hot. It's comfortably warm. 67 at Reagan National this hour, 62 in Gaithersburg, Leesburg now at 63 degrees. We are going to look for those wind gusts to continue for at least a little bit longer, adding a little bit of a chill to the air. Wind gusts right now at around 25 miles per hour. As we head through the afternoon hours, we're going to look for the cloud cover to gradually dissipate and more sunshine. So grab the sunglasses as you head out the door. I promise you'll put them to very good use. Maybe you're going to the White House Easter egg roll as we move through the noontime hours. Temperatures will be in the upper 60s to just around 70, 73 degrees. Just a little bit above average for this time of year. Great afternoon to check out the zoo for Easter Monday celebrations. And then there's also Earth Day celebrations downtown D.C. Now the evening commute looking fantastic. Open up the sunroof, let the windows down, a lot of fresh air as long as you don't mind the pollen. Lower 70s through the 6 o'clock hour. Maybe grabbing a bite to eat for dinner on 14th Street. No rain-related issues on the way. Tomorrow it's going to be a warmer day. Talking daytime highs that will approach 80 degrees. It will be just a touch more humid out there, but at least we have sunshine as we move toward the end of April. 7-day outlook from Stormwatch 7 looks like this. 81 degrees on Tuesday. That's tomorrow, well above average for this time of year. As we head to the day on Wednesday, throwing in a chance for a few isolated showers, mainly during the early morning hours. Not going to amount to a whole lot. Middle 70s, lower 70s with a better chance for a shower on Thursday. Friday, already the end of the work and school week. Lower 70s and also our best chance to see a few thunderstorms. Always a good time to download your Stormwatch 7 weather app. Once we get through those storms, we are going to look for a brighter and slightly cooler weekend ahead. Upper 60s and brilliant sunshine on Saturday, Sunday, looking at temperatures that are going to be in the lower 70s with partly to mostly sunny skies.
Well, coming up here on ABC 7 News at noon, a commuter train scare. A woman gets her hand stuck in the door of a commuter train. We'll show you this story coming up after the break.
You get more for your money at Thompson Creek.
We've been in business for 39 years.
39 years. And you get 39% off.
Buy one window, get one 39% off.
39% off.
We do it all.
Design, build, and install.
So there's no middleman markup.
We make your windows right here in our local factory.
So you get high quality windows at an affordable price.
Now get 39% off plus 0 interest until 2020.
Call now.
Call 855-57-CREEK.
All you need is one opportunity to get every dollar you deserve.
I wanted more.
I deserved more.
Who doesn't want more?
Tell the insurance company you mean business. Call the Mike Slocum Law Firm on the Hurt Line right now.
My passion outside of work is combat-style martial arts. That's how I injured my shoulder during a sparring match. I tried to get back to 100%, but I was having trouble putting on my suit and tie. That's when I went to CAO and I learned I had torn my rotator cuff as well as my bicep. What's amazing to me is 3 days after my surgery, I pushed myself up in my chair with 0 pain. Now I'm back to training 5 days a week. My choice, the Centers for Advanced Orthopedics.
You can't trust everything in life, but you can always trust Zips. Launder and press shirts for $1.99 or less. Any garment dry clean for $2.49. Trust the fabric care professionals. Trust Zips.
You wouldn't accept an incomplete job from anyone else. Why accept it from your allergy pills? Flonase relieves your worst symptoms, including nasal congestion, which most pills don't. Flonase helps block 6 key inflammatory substances. Most pills only block 1. Flonase.
When you're injured in an auto accident, you may have only one opportunity to take back what's been taken away from you. Don't risk your future. Tell the insurance company you mean business.
I called the Mike Slocum Law Firm.
They got me a lot of money.
A reminder of just how dangerous commuter trains can be. In San Francisco, surveillance video shows a woman dragged away after her hand got stuck in a closing door. Thankfully, she did survive, but as Gio Benitez reports, others have not been so lucky.
Over the weekend, tragedy at one of New York's busiest subway stations. A 21-year-old woman killed after reportedly becoming caught between the platform and the train. The South Carolina native pulled onto the tracks. The MTA is now investigating, but the accident is just the latest in a string of terrifying moments. In San Francisco, a woman miraculously survived after being pulled under a train. Take a look at the surveillance video obtained exclusively by the San Francisco Examiner. One woman is trying to board a Muni train in San Francisco, but when she reaches her hand into the closing doorway, it gets stuck. An employee tries to speak to her, but the train pulls away, taking her with it, dragging her about 15 feet until she's sucked under, disappearing on the tracks.
She was like running, trying to keep up with it. A couple people were like banging on the car, even like shouting, "Stop, stop."
Witnesses say the woman was rushed to the hospital where she stayed for 5 days, treated for fractures, abrasions, and contusions. Lucky to be alive, she has now been discharged.
In this case, it appears that the door had less than half an inch to close, and at the last millisecond, this person reached for the door to try to pry it open, and that's when her finger got stuck.
The Municipal Transportation Agency tells ABC News the doors on its trains have been safely used in various models and configurations across the U.S. for many years. The dangers on subway platforms becoming a serious issue. A few months ago in Massachusetts, a woman fell